China has just unveiled a wave of next-generation robots that look like science fiction, but they're very real. From humanoid assistants and self-balancing machines to robotic pets and autonomous baristas, Canton Fair 2025 wasn't just an exhibition, it was a sneak peek into the future. In this video, we're exploring the most jaw-dropping robotic innovations from China's biggest tech events, where machines didn't just move, they served coffee, greeted customers, danced, and even learned in real time. Whether you're amazed or a little concerned, one thing is clear: China is racing ahead in the robotics revolution. Let's dive into the smartest, strangest, and most impressive robots you've never seen until now. Canton Fair 2025 kicked off with a futuristic lineup that felt like stepping into a sci-fi film. One of the show's highlights was a series of humanoid robots designed for public interaction and entertainment. These robots could walk, wave, dance, and even bow to the crowd, showing off their expressive gestures and smooth motion. Some were equipped with face tracking and AI-powered dialogue systems, making real-time interaction feel surprisingly natural. Alongside them, robotic pets and AI assistants made their debut. A robot barista caught attention by preparing and serving drinks on its own, complete with precise arm movements and programmed timing. Another machine mimicked animal behavior, responding to touch and even following attendees as they moved. These weren't just tech demos, they were functional, intelligent machines built for hospitality, events, and consumer experiences. China isn't just building robots for factories anymore, it's creating robots that connect with people. And this was only the beginning of what the expo had to offer. Beyond performance and novelty, China's 2025 expos revealed robots built for real-world utility machines that are already being deployed in homes, businesses, and even automotive spaces. One of the standout humanoids was XPeng's Iron, a full-sized service robot built for practical use. It wasn't just standing or posing. Iron demonstrated actual service tasks in a natural, human-like manner. With smooth movement, it interacted with objects, tracked people using vision systems, and adapted its actions in real time. Designed to support commercial roles, Iron represents China's ambition to integrate robots into everyday environments, far beyond just factories. Then there was the Astrobot S1, an intelligent robotic arm that paired physical motion with VR control. Visitors could manipulate the robot's actions using hand-tracked VR gear, making it ideal for remote operations or training. Its precision and range of movement suggested use cases in education, service, and possibly even healthcare. Meanwhile, home automation took a major leap forward with SwitchBot's K20 Pro, a compact rolling home assistant capable of recognizing its environment, responding to commands, and performing basic household functions. It moved fluidly through crowded booths, using sensors to avoid obstacles and interact with attendees. Unlike static smart home devices, the K20 Plus is mobile, smart, and designed for real-time responsiveness in busy domestic settings. Together, these robots show how fast China is turning advanced robotics into daily use tools. Whether you're managing a household, running a cafe, or showcasing a brand, these machines are becoming smart, flexible partners, and they're already operating in real life, not just behind glass. This shift marks a huge step toward making robotics accessible, scalable, and useful, not years from now, but today. At the Shanghai Auto Show, robots took center stage not just as assistants, but as engineering marvels integrated with next-generation mobility concepts. One of the most attention-grabbing innovations came from Citroën, which presented a futuristic capsule-like transport pod. It looked less like a car and more like a mobile living space, demonstrating how robotics and vehicle design are merging into a new category of intelligent transportation. This wasn't about speed or horsepower, it was about autonomy, comfort, and seamless interaction between human and machine. The pod featured full automation, ambient lighting, and gesture-controlled interfaces. Though the vehicle's release date remains uncertain, its concept suggests a future where vehicles function more like assistants than tools. Another standout was a robotic ball balancing device, which amazed attendees with its ability to maintain perfect stability while moving in unpredictable directions. It showcased advanced balance control and spatial awareness, Despite constant motion and shifting surfaces, the robot adapted instantly. This balance bot wasn't built for entertainment. It revealed how AI systems can master coordination in real-time physical environments. A critical step toward building robots that move like animals or humans. Several other robotic forms navigated the showroom independently, responding to stimuli like sound and proximity. These units included service bots that adjusted routes dynamically and interacted with passers-by using motion detection. They were loaded with sensors, responding faster than any human staff might. Most importantly, these robots weren't bound by tracks or remote control. They used onboard processing to make autonomous decisions on the fly. Rather than just showcasing mobility, this event proved that China's robotics industry is exploring freedom of movement, intuitive design, and user-responsive behavior at scale. Each bot, whether for service, navigation, or display, emphasized interaction, not instruction. As the boundaries between vehicles, AI, and robotics continue to blur, it's clear that China's vision for intelligent mobility isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about transforming how we experience the space around us, with machines that understand, adapt, and enhance every step of the journey. From humanoids that serve coffee to self-balancing bots in VR-controlled machines, China's latest robotics wave is nothing short of astonishing. What we saw at Canton Fair and the Shanghai Auto Show wasn't just innovation, it was deployment. Real robots doing real tasks in real environments. This isn't the future, it's the present. And China isn't waiting. It's building a world where machines are workers, companions, and co-pilots in daily life. If this glimpse into tomorrow blew your mind, drop a like, subscribe for more future tech content, and tell us in the comments, which robot would you want in your home or workplace? Thanks for watching, and remember, the future doesn't just arrive, it's engineered. What we witnessed at Canton Fair 2025 in the Shanghai Auto Show wasn't just a glimpse into the future, it was confirmation that the future is already here. From robotic baristas and VR-controlled arms to humanoid assistants that can walk, wave, and interact, China has made one thing clear. It's not just building robots, it's deploying them fast. These machines aren't behind glass or locked in labs. They're out in public spaces, homes, and showrooms, performing real tasks with precision, personality, and purpose. The seamless blend of AI, mechanical engineering, and design seen in this expo proves that robotics is no longer a prototype industry. It's a functioning ecosystem. Whether it's the self-balancing sphere bot or Citroën's pod-like mobility vehicle, China is integrating robotics into lifestyle, transport, and even emotional interaction. It's exciting. It's a little eerie, but it's undeniably revolutionary. If this video opened your eyes to what's really happening in robotics right now, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. And tell us in the comments, which robot surprised you most? And would you trust one in your daily life?